Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking essentials so the fix works. First, make sure the SIM is seated and the device recognizes the network. An unread SIM causes MMI failures. Once done, verify the exact MMI string and carrier-specific syntax because slight differences break the query. Also check balance and service status. Some codes won't respond on prepaid or suspended lines. These checks prevent wasted steps and let you proceed with confidence to test and recreate the issue. Now you perform targeted diagnostics to isolate the cause. Dial the MMI code and read the precise error message content narrows root causes. If it fails, toggle airplane mode, then reconnect, because resetting radios often clears transient network glitches. Restart the phone if needed, and manually select the carrier to avoid roaming or wrong MCC/MNC mismatches. If the problem persists, change preferred network type between GSM and LTE, since some codes only work on. Finish with advanced remedies that resolve stubborn MMI errors. If the dialer strips characters, add a plus or pause, or use a specialized service menu app to send the raw code. This avoids UI normalization. Update carrier settings or firmware because operator updates restore supported codes. Test a different SIM to determine if it's device or network side, and if it's carrier-level blocking, gather the exact error and timestamps before you call support. Quick troubleshooting tip. If codes intermittently fail, try a different handset to confirm the source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.